Hi, in this video I'm going to describe how to work on the hands-on tab in the Pursuit of Passion Towards a Career Goal project. You probably have been looking on the Field Experience tab and thinking to yourself, why is this different than that? Well, that one relates, the Field Experience relates to the past, to something that you have been already doing for a while. This hands-on is actually related to whether you started right now to investigate what is the topic of your interest, and finally you're ready to move on to the next step, which is the hands-on activity or any type of work experience in your field. And so it starts by you listing potential hands-on activities that you can engage in order to experience this field. And once you do this list, probably the next step would be that you would call these places and find out if you can work there, or maybe even if this is something that you can do at home, then maybe gather material for what you need to do and so on. So, it depends on exactly what it is that you want to do. And then once you started doing it, that's when you are able to tell us about it. So you can tell us about your hands-on activity. What is it that you're doing? And once you fill this out, you can also tell us what were the challenges that you encountered, as well as what do you think that the impact, first of all, what do you feel that the impact is on you, but also if this is something that impacts other people or the public in general, then probably this is the place for you to tell us what do you think that the impact is right now or can be on other people. Of course, as you do all this, you probably gather some images of your experience, which you can then replace these images with your experience images here and provide us with a hands-on gallery of your work. Thank you, and this is all you need to do in the hands-on tab in the Pursuit of Passion Towards a Career Goal project.